There was a man in the land of Uz whose name was Job. He was blameless and upright, a man who feared Allah and shunned evil. Job was blessed beyond measure. 7 sons and 3 daughters, thousands of sheep, camels, oxen and donkeys, a man of great wealth but greater righteousness. One day the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord, and with them came Iblis the adversary.
Have you considered my servant Job? There is none like him on earth.
Does Job fear you for nothing? Stretch out your hand and he will surely curse you to your face.
So it was permitted Job's wealth, his children, all were to be taken, but his life was to be spared. In a single day the messengers came.
The Sabaeans attacked and stole the oxen.
Fire from heaven consumed the sheep.
The Chaldeans raided the camels.
Your sons and daughters are gone.
Job tore his robe, shaved his head, and fell to the ground.
Naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked shall I return. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord.
3 friends came to comfort Job: Eliphaz of Teman, Bildad of Shuah, and Zophar of Naamath. For 7 days they sat in silence, for his suffering was great. Then the words came: long, bitter debates. They accused him of sin. Job defended his innocence, Eliphaz firmly. Who that was innocent ever perished? Job anguished. Miserable comforters are you all. Through despair Job cried for justice, for an answer from God. As the storm raged, a voice like thunder pierced the silence. The Lord spoke from the whirlwind, his words echoing through the heavens and the earth. God, majestic and thunderous. Where were you when I laid the earth's foundation? Tell me if you understand. Can you bind the chains of the Pleiades or loose Orion's belt? Have you commanded the morning since your days began? Job, broken and humbled by the sheer magnitude of these words, realized the limits of his understanding. The presence of the Almighty left him awestruck, his questions fading before divine majesty. Job, soft, broken, I had heard of you by the hearing of the ear, but now my eye sees you, therefore I repent in dust and ashes. In that moment, Job's suffering was transformed by a profound encounter with the living God, a moment of humility, awe, and acceptance. The Lord restored Job's fortunes twice as much as he had before. His brothers and sisters came to comfort him. Visual, new children born, herds growing, laughter, feasting under palm trees. And Job lived 140 years more. He saw his children and their children to the 4th generation, so Job died, old and full of days.